Hi, for this video, what I want to do is show you how to calculate discounts. So when an item is on sale, how can you find the sales price? So a bicycle that normally sells for $950 is on sale for 20% off, and we want to know what is the discount. We're also going to calculate the sales price after finding out the discount. So the thing that you have to remember when dealing with percentages is that in order to do math with percents do have to be changed into a decimal. So you can do it this way, 20% divided by 100%, or we could have just moved the decimal places 2 places to the left since we're dividing by 100, and we see that it's really 0.20. So in order to do math with percents, you do need to change them into a decimal first. Once you have changed it into a decimal, you're going to take the original amount and then multiply it by the decimal form. So 950 times 0.20, and you can do this in your head, or you can do that on paper, or you can grab a calculator. It's up to you how you want to do the calculations. So if I grab a calculator and take 950 times 0.2, I end up with $190. So the discount amount is $190. So we're going to get $190 off of the $950 price tag. So to calculate the sale price, or how much it's selling for, we would take the 950 minus 190. So again, you can do this in your head, or you can grab a calculator and do the 950 minus 190. And we end up with $760. If you don't want to go through the process of first calculating what the actual discount is, and you want to just go directly to this answer, you can do so by looking at the fact that since I'm getting 20% off, I'm really paying 80%. So I'm really paying 80% of the actual cost. So I could have also gone directly to the sales price by taking 0.80 and multiplying it times the amount that I'm paying. And if I do that, if I take 950 times 0.80, you can see that I also get $760. So if I'm out in the store, that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to actually figure out how much am I paying for it. And so I always do the 100% minus 20% to figure out what I'm actually paying, and then just multiply that times the original cost. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics that you'd like me to cover, please let me know that as well.